Hello, I'm Tochukwu, and I'll be taking you through the Add Employee and View Employees under the Employee section on Niva. Right, so employee section has to do with managing everything about your employees, right, on Niva. So if you want to view your employees, you use this here. When you click on this link here, it shows you a page that you can use to actually uh, view your employees, right? So you can use any of these to export the files. You can print the page, you can export it as PDF, CSV, Excel, and a whole lot more. You have the view button, you have the edit button, you have the delete button, right? So how do we add an employee? You either use this option here or you use this. So when we click add employee, right, it gives us an option. It gives us an option and it shows us a form. So this is the form you can use to add employee. So let's just put an employee name. Let's just say Caleb, and let's just say Johnson. So whenever you see the red asterisk on Niva, it means that that is a mandatory field that you have to put, right? It's a mandatory field that you have to put. So we put last name. Let's just say Mikel, and we put let's just put the email. Let's just say put a random email, Mikel at nevada-rosevalley.com, and let's put a random phone number, right? So just put this. So we can put that. All right, let's put a row. So this is where those employee rows comes in. So all these rows here are already saved here. From this, you can view your rows or add an employee row. So you can assign a row to the person. So let's just give a driver. Let's say it's a driver, and you select the type of employment. It's a full-time driver, and we select status. Let's say still working. So when we have documents, anytime we have documents, anywhere you see documents on Niva, what that means is that you can attach additional files to the record, right? So in this case, if it's employee, you can actually attach, let's say employment documents if you want to. You can attach passport photographs. You can attach any of those things, right? And then yeah, so let's just let's attach something. Let's attach something real quick. So if we come to, let me just get a picture. Um, let's attach a picture. Um, so that we see how this works. Let's put a picture, and yeah, so we'll put a passport photograph. Let's just see how this works of a random picture. So when we've done that, you attach it there. You have 4 slots, so you can decide to put 4 different kind of documents, right? They're all listed there. It could be JPEG, it could be PNG, and the different type of file formats are all there. So additional details are if you have any extra notes you want to write about the record. So it could be, let's just put driver for let's just say driver for delivery, for home delivery, right? And we click submit. So when we do that, you can see the new employee that we just created, right? So when we click on view, we can actually view the employee's details, right? You can see it, and we can actually print this page using the print button. So we click on view, you can see all the employee's details there, and you can see the passport photograph of the employee, right? So if we go back, let's assume we want to edit the employee. So we'll just use the edit option. When we click edit, say we want to change something about the employee. Let's assume the employee's email has changed, and let's say we give him Michael Johnson, right? And then his phone number has changed. So let's just give him a brand new phone number. Let's just say 91. Let's put a random number, right? And he's still a driver, right? He's still a driver, still working full time. So let's this, we can leave the other ones like that, but you can still change them if you want to. So now coming down to this document aspect, if you've actually uploaded a document before, right? So if you check this option here, what that means is it's going to delete the already uploaded document, which is this, the passport photograph you saw. it's going to delete it, and it's no longer going to be there. But if we want to change the passport photograph, right, when we use this and when we click on it and we select a new passport photograph, right, it will change the one that is already there. But once you do that, you won't be able to like check this again. If I try to change this picture now, say I want to change to another picture, come down here, let me just see, and I want to change the picture. Let's see. You can see that the delete option is no longer there. We can no longer check it to delete the employee, right? So that's that. So the same thing applies to the other documents places. Once we select any of these, you can still attach a new employee document, right? But if there was anyone there, you check delete, you delete it. But with this, it's going to replace the employee's document. So if we click, we can also edit this. We can also edit this. Let's say for John Street, right? Let's just put something, and we click update. So you can see that the employee has been successfully updated. Once we click view, you can see that the employee's details has changed, right? You can see all those things that the employee's details have actually changed. So once we click on, you can see that the passport photograph has been replaced with this, and it shows you the timestamp of every single thing. So once we click on go back, we can come here. So if we want to delete an employee, it's very simple. You can see with this, right, you can actually click on this and it will take you to you can send an email to the employee and all of that, right? So you can still use any of these options to print, convert to PDF, export it and send, right? So if you want to delete an employee, how do you do that? You use this delete option. So when you click on it, it prompts you to confirm if you want to delete it. And if you click OK, it will delete the employee. But you can only delete an employee as of the time of recording this video if the employee is attached. It's not attached to any other record, say sales record or any other record. Once the employee is attached to it, you need to delete those records before you can delete this one. So as of the time of recording this video, that can't be done. So when we click on OK, it deletes the employee, right? So the employee has been successfully deleted. You can see that the employee no longer exists in the company's records. So that is that on employees, add employee and view employees. Thank you for your time, and we appreciate you using Niva, and we hope you keep using it and you keep enjoying our services.